In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on Slack. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or someone just getting started, learning how to effectively format your messages can really enhance your communication within your teams. Striking through text can be a helpful way to denote completed tasks, make corrections, or simply add emphasis. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Slack website. Open your web browser and type in the URL, which will take you to the home page of Slack. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on this. You'll be presented with a few different ways to sign in. For today, we'll be using Google, which is a straightforward way if you already have a Google account linked to Slack. Click on the Google option. Next, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you have these handy. If you're not already logged into Google, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected back to Slack. Now that we're inside Slack, it's time to go to your messages. You'll find this by navigating to the Direct Messages section. Simply click on the Message tab or the direct message you'd like to work in. Once you're in your desired conversation, it's time to type your text or message. Just click on the message input field and type out whatever you intend to say. At this point, it's exactly like sending a regular message. The next step is to highlight the text you want to strike through. Click and drag your mouse over the section of text you'd like to format. This will select the text and possibly bring up a formatting bar, depending on your settings. Now, look for the strike-through icon in the toolbar below or above the message box. It typically looks like a capital S with a line through it. Clicking this icon will instantly apply a strike-through effect to the selected text. And just like that, you have successfully applied a strike-through to your text. As you can see, Slack makes it incredibly easy to format your messages to ensure clear and precise communication with your team. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use strike-through formatting in your Slack messages with ease. Remember, formatting tools like these are there to help you convey your message more effectively, so don't hesitate to make use of them whenever the need arises. Thank you for watching and happy Slacking!